The power of Quickie is the power of choice, and choice begins with a seat. We start with the Sedeo Light. The Sedeo Light seat has some powerful options: specialized seating supports, power tilt, power leg supports, power elevation, built-in growth in both width and depth, and power recline. The Sedeo Light seat offers specialty postural additions such as head supports, anterior chest supports, lateral thoracic supports, lateral thigh supports, knee supports, and a medial thigh support. These provide support for functional and comfortable positions. They can also accommodate trunk asymmetries such as scoliosis, pelvic or hip alignment, and overall alignment during periods of growth. Power tilt is an important option. It is used to promote healthy skin, avoid pressure injuries, and provide rest. It often allows people to stay in their wheelchair longer and more comfortably. It can also assist with improved trunk and head control. Often used in combination with power tilt are power leg supports. Elevation of the legs is a key component in comfort, reducing leg edema and providing a change in sitting posture when combined with tilt and recline. Power elevation is an integral part in assisting with activities of daily living, promoting social interaction and aiding in navigation. The Sedeo Light seat also features a power elevation system that will elevate up to 12 inches or 30.5 centimeters, while allowing users to travel up to 3 miles per hour or 4.8 kilometers per hour. This is a critical feature for many activities of daily living and helps users stay connected with those around them. We affectionately call this feature See Me. Many See Me configurations can lower down to a 16.5-inch or a 42 centimeters seat-to-floor height, a critical necessity when accessing desks and tables, especially when sitting on thick cushions. Another key ingredient in a power wheelchair is the ability to accommodate growth in width and depth. This accommodation for growth is literally built into the seat. The Sedeo Light also features 120 degrees of power recline, which aids in breathing, digestion, transfers, and is helpful in reducing peak pressures. And as the name suggests, the light seat is lightweight and folds down to help aid in transportation. The low weight is also ideal for use in home elevators or van lifts. But what about more complex postural need? Users with degenerative diseases, and users who need to safeguard against the occurrence of skeletal deformities. Next up, the Sedeo Pro seat. Like the Sedeo Light seat, the Sedeo Pro seat features specialized supports, power tilt, power leg supports, power elevation, built-in growth, and power recline. But it also adds power foot supports. But first, let's revisit power recline. The Sedeo Pro features 20 more degrees of recline and 4 inches of mechanical shear. Power recline is a key component in the prevention of pressure injuries. It also helps prevent digestive complications and aids in breathing. Even more important, the Sedeo Pro seat features a mechanical anti-shear mechanism to help maintain a good seated posture when reclined and returning from recline. On to power foot supports. Power foot supports extend during leg elevation to ensure the client's legs are well positioned throughout the elevation movement. They can also extend independently to position the footrests on the floor to assist in a transfer. In some cases, individuals need very personalized seating positions for a wide variety of clinical conditions. These often include users with degenerative diseases and those who are at high risk for pressure injury. For these more advanced cases, there is the Sedeo Pro Advanced seat. Like the Sedeo Pro seat, the Sedeo Pro Advanced seat offers everything found on the Sedeo Pro, but it also offers a remote seating application and an interesting memory feature associated with all these power functions. Let's begin with the power recline. The Sedeo Pro Advanced Power Recline features an additional 25 degrees of recline angle and 3 more inches of anti-shear than the Sedeo Pro. As mentioned earlier, power recline is a key component in the prevention of pressure injuries. It also helps prevent digestive complications and aids in breathing. Even more important, the Sedeo Pro Advanced seat features a mechanical anti-shear mechanism with 7 inches of anti-shear. This helps prevent tissue damage by reducing shearing forces even in nearly full recline. Anti-shear technology helps maintain good posture, even in full recline and when returning to sitting. On to the memory seating. Another important function found on the Sedeo Pro Advanced seat is the ability to simultaneously coordinate all the various power seating functions into 6 different pre-programmed positions. Instead of tilting the seat and then elevating the leg supports and then raising the seat and then reclining the backrest, the Sedeo Pro Advanced seat can do all these functions simultaneously at the touch of a button. From the factory, these memory positions come pre-programmed in 6 different configurations. For example, pressure relief is ideal for individuals who are at risk for pressure-related injuries. Legs above heart, by contrast, is more helpful for individuals who need to elevate for leg edema or pooling of blood in the legs. All 6 positions can be programmed once the chair is in the field. Not only are these positions achieved in one smooth movement, but in the case of pressure relief, the movements are executed in a very specific sequence called biometric repositioning. In essence, the seat first moves from a reclined position into a tilted position to ensure the pelvis is properly positioned. Then the whole seat returns to the normal position. By first repositioning to a tilted position, users are less apt to fall into posterior pelvic tilt and other problematic postures as the back support returns from recline. A lot of focus of the Sedeo Pro Advanced is aimed at preventing pressure injuries, but these seating positions are only helpful if users remember to use them throughout the day. To help ensure this regime is maintained, the Sedeo Pro Advanced seat can be linked to our remote seating app. This mobile phone application can be programmed to schedule daily pressure relief reminders. It coordinates the time and length of each session, as well as compiling a compliance report for caregivers and clinicians. Individuals with long-term degenerative diseases often require specialized standing regimens to help promote bone density, improve circulation, reduce abnormal muscle tone and spasticity, and reduce the risk of tissue injuries. The Sedeo Pro Advanced Up seat was designed with these users in mind. Like the Sedeo Pro Advanced seat, the Sedeo Up comes with a full complement of specialized supports, power features, built-in growth, the remote seating app, and memory seating. But it also has one more very important additional feature: power standing. Ideal for individuals who need to promote bone density, improve circulation, reduce abnormal muscle tone and spasticity, help reduce the occurrence of skeletal deformities, enhance vocational participation, enhance ability to perform activities of daily living, and create peer engagement at eye level. Memory seating is next. Like the Sedeo Pro Advanced, the Sedeo Pro Advanced Up seat features 6 different programmable memory positions, which can easily be personalized once received. For example, supine is a position that is ideal for rest and muscle extension. Pressure relief is ideal for individuals who are at risk for pressure-related injuries. And stand, which offers a host of benefits for users with long-term progressive conditions. Some users have difficulty going straight from a seated position to a standing position due to issues such as muscle tone and spasticity. To help alleviate these issues, the Up seat can first move from normal to supine, and then once the user is comfortable, move from supine to stand. Other individuals have issues with blood pressure fluctuations when moving straight from a seated position to a standing position. In this case, it is often helpful to move first to a pressure relief position and then from there to a standing position. Best of all, the Sedeo Up can be paired with a mid-wheel drive base to ensure easy maneuverability in confined spaces. A very important feature when maneuvering in the standing position. All 4 Sedeo seats are loaded with choices, and they also come with some special options. For users who frequently use recline, there is the J Synchro seat and back support cushions with cryo fluid. These cushions are designed specifically to help eliminate various forms of pelvic displacement that occur during power recline. The Sedeo Pro Flexible Back is designed with a series of adjustable straps. These straps can be adjusted so they match the natural curve of the user's spine. All the Sedeo seats can be fitted with world-renowned J-seat and backrest supports. These supports, along with Whitmire headrests, are scientifically designed to address a wide range of varying clinical needs. All the Sedeo seats can be fitted with world-renowned Bluetooth and infrared communication technology. These advanced input devices are frequently mounted using the highly configurable Link-It mounting kits. Each Sedeo seat is designed to address a specific set of clinical needs, and each Quickie power base is designed to address a specific environmental need. Together they multiply to address a wide range of needs. All these powerful choices are the power of Quickie.